Hello guys, I'm back with another video. This is your boy Mr. Blue. Then I just want us to share a very useful knowledge that it will help you. So let us get down into business then. I'm looking on GBPAUD guys. So let us get down into business. Okay, we are going to look at the nature of the market. I've drawn my structure, two structures, and then let us look into them. Then let us look into them. Then if you can check it very well, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Here about the price and the behavior of GBP, AUD, GBPAUD. Let me show you something. Let me take this price again. Let me show you. Let me show you something that can be useful. I know this video will be useful to you. Guys, I want you to check something. I know those structures are not that much similar, but then the behavior is the same. So I want you to check out something, guys. I want you to check out something. I want you to check out something, guys. I want you to check out something. I want you to check out something, guys. Something very useful, something. So if you can check, guys, you might be asking yourself why on a present structure market give us this long, let me highlight it, why the market give us this long like pin candle, and then you will then understand that this has happened due to the reason of the past structure. It, always market repeat itself. So if this thing has happened in the past structure, it means on a present structure it will again repeat itself. That's the reason why it gives us this long pin candle. So if you can remember on the past structure, the market on the third touch gave us a very long pin candle. So this is what is happening in a new created structure, which is the present structure. That is that's where we see a very long pin candle. So it's not a surprise to me, because as for me, I've checked the past nature of GBPAUD, and found that GBPAUD, when it creates the structure, there is a point whereby it will give me a very long pin nail bar. So you need to understand that before you can draw any structure, before you can do pattern separation, before you can do anything, first of all understand the type of a characteristic, the price it's moving. So you need to understand that this was not a mistake. This was the repetition of the market. When the market gives us this long pin candle, and then you need to understand that after that long pin candle, market never drop in our current structure. Do you know why? Because even on our past structure, market didn't just drop, then it get back into our trend line, then again it goes up for the last time. Let me show you where it gets up for the last time. After this long pin candle, then the market go back up to this area, then that's where it started to drop. So we don't have the reason to say after this long pin back handle it will drop. No, we don't have the reason to say that. Do you know why? Because we are focusing on what was happening for us to have the information of what will happen. You see, so this is the thing. If you can check here, the market gave us this long pin candle, then we expect the market to go back again, then it drops somewhere here where the price is. That's where we start to see something that it will tell us what is going to happen in the market. So what is it that gives you the reason to sell after the long pin bar, whereas the past structure was telling us after the pin bar, market gain the momentum for the last time to the upside before it drops. So those are types, and those are kind of information that we need to understand before we draw the structure. So I hope on GBP AUD you understand. Then let us go to GBPNZD, NZD, GBPNZD, GBPNZD. Okay. GBPNZD. Let us check it out. 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 Then let me first draw the structures. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. GBPNZD. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, to like and to share the video. Don't forget, guys. Then let us look at two structures. I hope this video will be helpful to you guys. I hope it will be helpful to you. Then just want us to check something here on GBP and the first structure, this one. If you can check on this structure, then the market give us first touch, second touch. on the third touch, it broke out of our structure. Then if you can check on our present structure, it gave us first touch, second touch. On the third touch, it broke out of our structure with the rejection, or I can say, or with the pin nail bar, a candle, I can say. So I need you to understand something here. The reason why on a present structure, this one, market broke out on the third touch, it was because of one reason. It was because on a past structure, we saw that the market broke out of the structure on the third touch. We saw that market broke out of the structure on the third touch. Then what gives you the reason to say when the market touch exactly on our upper trend line, it will drop? Whereas you saw it that on a past structure, the market broke out and it gives us a very long pin candle. So even on a present structure, the market repeat itself. This is the nature of GBPNZD after creating a deep correction, I can say. So this is what happened when GBP give us a third touch. If as you can check, because on a first structure, on the past first structure that we are looking at, the market, when it gets on the third touch, it breaks out. Then on our current new structure, then again the market breaks out. So this is what we call it nature of the market. We need to look at those things before we can say, we can consider that we will sell once the market get into our trend line. So we need to understand that, to understand the nature of a particular pair that we want to trade, it's very much important because it will help us to avoid unnecessary losses. If you can check, this is very clean and pure, and then it shows that market truly repeat itself always. So this is a type of a thing that we need to put it in mind, that always when the market create impulse or correction, there is something that it will always repeat itself. There is something that the market will always repeat it. So we need to be very much careful when it comes to the market, and when we analyze the market, we need to go deeper into this thing. We need to go deeper and think deep when it comes to this thing. As you can see, on the third touch, market give us a long pin bar. Even on a present structure, it's just that this one, it's small, it's in a smaller version. This one, it's in a bigger version. But if you can check, they're the same. They're the same, those structures. So I created this video just to help you guys, just to help you to look the market in a 3D formation. Let us go to EURAUD. 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 If you can check, guys, there is something that I saw yesterday as I was back testing. Then let us check out this thing. Let us check out this thing. Let us check out this structure. Let us look at that structure. Let us look at this structure. I want you to understand the nature of the market. I want you to understand the nature of the market. It's very much important to understand the nature of the market before you trade. Before you trade. Before you trade. It is so important to understand the nature of the market. It is so important to understand the nature of the market. So it's very much important, guys. It's very much important. Let us check out EURAUD. If you can check on this one, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Let us highlight first touch, second touch, then on the third touch market broke out, and then after breaking out, then market get back into the structure. Then let us look at this structure. The market gives us first touch, second touch, then here it breaks out, first touch, second touch, here it breaks out. So guys, this is the nature of the market. You see, when we check out EURAUD, like it always broke out of the structure before it can show some commitment. So this is the reason why on a present, because if you can check out on this past structure, this one is the one that gives us the reason and the understanding that in those new structures that will be created, those ones, there will be a breakout of the structure before the market can show some commitment of a sell. Then I'm not surprised why the market here on our present structure broke out here, because I know that since the market has broken out of the structure, it's going to get back in the structure before it shows like some commitment of a sell. It will get back into the structure. I know it will get back into the structure. If you can check out this present structure, it's showing us that the market broke out. So this is not just a breakout, but the market is respecting the nature of EURAUD on how it moves. If you can check this structure and this structure, they repeat itself due to the reason of a bigger structure. So this is a type of things, guys, that you need to check out before you can consider selling or buying, guys. This will help you to improve in your trading, guys. So you need to check it out before you can trade, guys. So I hope this will be so helpful. Let us go to our last pair, EURNZD, and check it out. Guys. EURNZD, guys. EURNZD. Let us go to our pair. Let us check out these structures. I want you to understand something. Let me highlight this one. First touch, second touch. On the third touch, again we see this long rejection. First touch, second touch, then we see the same thing, guys. Like, guys, let us look at this thing, guys. Market always repeat itself, guys. On the third touch, look at how the market approach our trend line. So this is what we need to understand, the nature of the market. The nature of the market. We need to understand this type of things, guys. We need to understand this type of things. Nature of the market is very much important when you are trading. So don't just trade, guys. Don't just trade. Don't just take a trade. Sometimes we are losing because we don't understand the nature of the market or how the pair behave, how the pair moves. So guys, when you're trading, always fight to know the behavior, the nature of the pair, guys. It's so important too. So it will help you to know what will happen, guys. So thank you. This is your boy Blue Milkas. This is your boy Mr. Blue from Blue Milkas Falcon. So I've shared this content so that it may help you guys. So wish you all the best in your trading, guys.